Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily create custom forms on Wix. So first, you may want to head over to Wix and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, head over to your editor web page at editor.wix.com. Next, in the left panel, click on the Add button or Add Elements icon. Next is scroll down until you see Contact and Forms. Click on it or hover your mouse on it. Then next, hover your mouse on Create New Form. Then click on Create New Form. Now since this form is blank, you're the one who's going to customize this form according to your preference. Here in the left panel, you can see Add Form Fields. Here are fields that you can add to your form. It is categorized depending on the type of form you're trying to create or customize. Now, if you're trying to create a customized contact form, of course, choose contacts. For general forms, switch to general, choices, dates, service inquiry, depending on what you need. So say for example, we're going to create a service inquiry form. So here are the form fields that we can use. Start by dragging a field to your form. So say for example, we're going to drag product, drop it here. Now just add in details about this field and repeat the same process until you build your desired form. Then once done, head over and click on Save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!